Alright guys, today we are installing a cold air intake on a 2007 4.8 Chevy Silverado 1500. Super easy. You only need a couple hand tools in about half an hour. So I'm going to set the camera down and we'll get busy. The main intake tube off. Now we can unhook the math, pull this out, take the top of the air box off, which is 4 Torx bits, take the filter out, and then take the rest of the box off. Alright guys, sorry, camera died. It's way too cold in the garage. It doesn't like staying charged. So we have the whole old intake removed, everything, even down to the original plate. We have the new air box put in. We have the new intake tube installed. We just need to put the MAF in and the filter on, and it's good to go. So let's keep working at it. Alright guys, we got the full intake installed. So yeah, we're gonna start the truck up, see how it sounds. Alright guys, we're gonna start the truck up. Check out the intake. So yeah, there's a totally noticeable difference with the intake. Super easy to do, guys. Super fast, about half an hour, 40 minutes if you don't know what you're doing. And that's about it. So yeah guys, for the $100 that this intake cost, made a big difference. Sounds better, runs better, looks better. Like and subscribe, guys. Peace out.